If you were studying for an important and difficult exam and you had the choice of studying in a library or at a wild party, which would you choose? Since the right environment is conducive to good study, you'd choose the library. Similarly, the environment in which you chant affects the quality of your meditation. Therefore, it's important to create a sacred space for your japa. A sacred space is an environment that fully supports your meditation and other yoga practices. It should be a place in which nothing else but japa is going on when you are engaged in your meditation. It should be a place that fosters concentration on and absorption in the holy names. Sacred space not only includes where you chant, but also when you chant. A sacred space is a place and a time that are most conducive to good japa. You will notice that daily chanting in the same place empowers that space. It becomes the place where good rounds are chanted. Setting apart a space for meditation is an act that invites you to make mental, emotional, and energetic space for these practices as well. It serves as a daily reminder to connect with your spiritual self and with the divine. To better understand sacred space, let's look at some examples of japa space that aren't sacred. In front of a computer that is on, in front of a television that is on, within audible distance of a radio or television, in a room where things other than japa are going on, in your car while driving, at the shopping mall, grocery store, etc. In a room where kids are playing, this is sometimes unavoidable. On a walk in which you are distracted by what you are seeing or hearing, a place in which others are talking or in which others are inclined to talk to you. In other words, a space that isn't sacred is a space that distracts you from concentrating on japa. Now take a minute, press pause on the video, and write down where you have tried chanting that is not sacred. Did you do it? If not, try pausing again. Okay, the reason I asked you to do this is to make a mental note to avoid these places when you chant. To create your space, the first step is to find a peaceful and uncluttered area in your home. It should be a place that allows you to relax and unwind, where you won't be startled by someone entering or exiting a room. It should be a space that is quiet, separated from where you work or pay bills, away from the kids' rooms or areas with a lot of traffic, and a spot that feels comfortable and protected. It's not easy to relax and close your eyes if you're nervous that a family member might come in from behind you and surprise you. If free space in your home is limited, get creative. Search for corners of your house that aren't being used. Add a billowy curtain or a screen to a corner that you can then tuck away when the space isn't in use. Look for a closet floor, a bookshelf, a windowsill, or the top of a dresser that you can easily clear out. A sacred space can also be as simple as your favorite chair or a pillow. You can select one beautiful pillow that you sit on each time you meditate. Wherever you place that pillow, whether on the floor, a chair, the sofa, or your bed, this will become your sacred space. Now, what goes into making your space sacred? Here are some ideas. Keep your space as clean as possible. Take off your shoes, for example, when you enter this space. Create a comfortable meditation sitting arrangement. You can search online for meditation cushions to find ideas that fit you. The main thing is to find the best way to get your spine erect and be comfortable also. Decorate the space with inspiring imagery. On our site, we have sacred art and photos you can download, print, and frame. Create an altar with pictures, statues, and items that invoke your spirituality. Another thing to consider is that when you cannot chant in your regular sacred space because of work, travel, getting up late, etc., you'll need to create a temporary sacred space, a place to chant where you won't be distracted. In other words, it's essential to find or create the best possible environment for chanting your rounds, no matter where you are.